There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2017 Dodge Charger SXT in pitch black. With bifunction HID projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, electronic stability control, dual bright exhaust tips, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 35,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5791A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.